Hi guys, and we're back today for another antivirus video, and today we are going to be taking this large green lump of text out and adding send to client, so we get our detections appear in our client. Now before we start that off, guys, if you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It does make a significant difference. It will tell me whether these videos are reaching the people who want them, and will enforce that either they are wanted or they're not wanted, and I will then make a decision on what exactly to make. As for the video on Thursday, there were slight technical difficulties in the fact that I couldn't actually get on the internet, so there will probably be more than one video uploaded during this upcoming week. So without further ado, this is the section here that we're looking at. It was originally made for the version 1, and it was designed to send information to the unit. However, this is now a service and we don't have a unit. So we pretty much commented it out, as you can see. So today we're going to actually go through and we're going to change it. Now we need the send pipe function and the utils, and I can't remember where I left the commands. Oh wait, we got a shared config between the two. Here's the command, and we're going to have to add another one, or no, there is one in there still. We do have the command to send to our client, so we're going to copy that. We're going to close a few of these tabs, hopefully the ones I don't want. We might have to reopen a few of these. Yeah, we'll write it in utils. So we're going to write this function in utils. It's going to be a procedure. It's pretty much going to be a copy of what's below it, except from we're not going to do send so much information. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a function, we're going to have a procedure, and it's going to send it to the named pipe. So we might as well copy this bit. That's going to stay the same. We're going to send the information from this pipe to the other pipe that's in the client and update the client. So we're going to cut this out for now, and we're going to create ourselves a temporary message like we have in the other one, and we'll make this a Unicode string, I think. Yeah. And so the idea of this, guys, is that it's going to pass the path, the signature, and the action to the client, so that when we get to the point in which we have when we get to the point in which we have actions, say quarantine, delete, if we get there, it will do one. So whilst I've been jabbering on, I've been typing away, and we have got just a really simple thing. We send the action command plus the delim plus a string that we've declared in the top of the function, and we're now going to copy our function name out, and we're going to go over into the scan objects folder. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all of this green text, because it's no longer needed. And what we're going to do is we're going to then, we need to declare this first. If I can get it with the mouse. Yep, so declare that there so that we can use it in another unit. And yep, paste it in. We can just delete this bit and delete that bit, like so. And now what we need to do is we need a temporary string, just to kind of stick all this stuff together. So detection string should work, and we'll use a Unicode string once again. And we're going to come down here, and we're now going to propagate our detection string. So we need to type in our losing my mouth this morning, detection string. And what we can do is, where we add it to our report here, we can copy that out, and that's what I intend to do. We can copy that out, and we can just instantly propagate the detection string. So in theory, if you wanted to remove a few variables, you could cut it out of the add to report and change it there, and then you wouldn't have two sets of strings sitting around. But currently we're just going to copy this, and we're just going to go down the detection methods and start pretty much removing all of this commented out code. We will have to modify it for this one. We have cocked up. We are putting the we're putting the temporary signature, which is the MD5 plus the file size, into the report instead of the signature name. So there's no point now changing that, so let's change it quickly. Surprised no one actually mentioned that in the comment section, but it does happen. So we're just going to paste over both of them, and now we should be able to just save and carry on down the list, and we should just be able to copy this string back out and fill the rest of it in. So just cut this bit out and paste that one in, and that leaves us with just the one comment left in the scan engine, which is the quarantine system, which, depending on how many views and other things, we'll ultimately debate on exactly what we're going to do. But this pretty much brings this episode to the end. It's taken about 7 or 8 minutes. Depends on how much I cut out or not, how much you'll see. So guys, if you enjoyed it, you know what the thumbs up button is. You have a comment about this series or about this exact episode, you've noticed I've messed up somewhere else, please put it in the description or in the comment section. And until next time, guys,